often wonder, where does all that talent stem from? Comes from my maternal grandfather. You see, one day we bought him a ticket to see a performance at the Metropolitan Opera. And when it was all over, came home, naturally, everybody wanted to know how much he enjoyed it. And he said, gee, the music? Anois nam. When did you hear that last? Anois nam. Must be something real good. And the actors, he says, hoo-ha. How can you explain hoo-ha? It's impossible. But he said, I would have liked to have heard something, since he was very, very religious, orthodox, something that'll give my kitzel ban hearts, tickle the cockles of my heart. So I sat down, I wrote a piece of music, and I tried to put English lyrics to it. Didn't work. It's a nicht geklept, you know what I mean? Couldn't stick. I found out one thing. Jewish music has to have Jewish lyrics. So I remained with it. If you listen very, very closely, you hear exactly what he had to say. Freunde bin in die Oper gewesen, weil Yatschi habe dort gehört und gesehen. Willt wissen von mir, was ist mein Gedank, wie ist mir gefallen, du schöne Gesang. Die Oper mit Musik ist reich, die schöne Gesang ist gefallen mir gleich. Aber ich alles jid, bängt sie ein bisschen, weil dus was geht mir in Herzen a Kitzel. Willt ihr wissen, was ich mein? Nur herzig sie, wird ihr mir bald verstehen. Ich hab lieb a Jiddisch Liederle, a herzig, schön chassidisch Liederle, mit dem Ja-ba-ba-ba-boy, Ja-ba-ba-ba-boy, Ja-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-boy. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do another chorus for you. Only this time, I need your cooperation. So when I will motion to you this way, I want everybody to join in and sing Ya-ba-ba-ba-boy. If you never spoke a word of Yiddish in your life, this is your chance. We ready now? Ich hab lieb a Yiddish Liederle, a herzig, schön chassidisch Lieder. How does it go? Mit dem Ja. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. I want you to know I traveled 7,000 miles to come here. And if this is the response I'm going to get, a schande. This side, niemand zu Hause. This side, tot. I'm going to try one more time. Okay. Ich hab lieb a Jiddisch Liederle, a herzig, schön chassidisch. Wie geht es mit dem Ja? Wie es macht sich noch? You want to see the is a party. Who sings of the Siederle? Wie geht es mit dem Ja? Es ist so, was hat Geschmack im Herzen, eingebacktes Band, euch sei jeder Glied. En Tomme werd hem dik, dan werd hem, jont dick wie nur, heert hij Jiddisch lied.